Well, it snowed again. And I didn't get my door done or the run covered. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Okay, well, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is scrape off the poop shelves. And then I'll take that door off and put another one on. Hi, guys. It's not that cold out if you want to go outside. Should we go get treats, Reba? Oh, don't run away. You want treaties. I gotcha. Oh, I gotcha. You gonna come for some treats? You come for some treats, little Reebs? You come for some treats, little Reebs? Okay, me and Reba will go get treats for everybody. Look out. Look out. Come on, Soph. Reebs. Oh, wormies for you. Wormies for you, sweetie. Look. Have some. Ah, there you go. No, Sophie, no. Oh, I guess I gotta get more. Oh my gosh, we got 3. That's a big one. 2 littles and a big. And in this side, got 2 bigs, I guess. Yeah, they're not even going to want me to clean up in here today because they don't want to go in the snow. It's not even that cold out. What can I do? Chickies! Chickies! Oh, treaties! And they just fall into the snow. I better tramp a spot down for them. Treaties! Chickies! Oh, there you are. Okay, Vulture. Here's some treaties. It's not worms, sorry. I could double up that plastic on the tunnel. And I'd still build a door for like nights that are like 30 below. But if I double up that plastic, they're all pretty good at going through it. So maybe I could even do a thicker fabric that hangs down a bit farther, and then maybe I could just leave it open most of the time. Okay, Vulture, go eat those treats. You don't even want them. You guys just are spoiled. You want out again? Oh, good grief. Okay, go. Go. Go on now. I don't know if it's Robertson. Hey, what do I got here? Ooh, yeah, that'll work. Grab a battery. And I might need some extra light in there. Okay, so to start with, take that door off, build a door, and then I'll put some more plastic on. I also had a ventilation vent up here so it wouldn't get too much humidity, but I shoved some rags in there the other night and it sure made a difference. Girls, go out and get some sunlight. Oh, what do we got? Okay, what do we got? Oh, it is. Good thing I brought the other bit. And there's gotta be, oh yes, of course. One, oh, that's a dirty one. Two. Okay, the door is free. Voila! Look at that. Okay, I might need that drill again. Okay. Oh, I should have brought the tape measure. But regardless, I want the door extra big. Okay, gotta find a piece of, a good piece of plywood or something. And a couple hinges. And a couple eye hooks. Oh shoot. Oh man. I didn't take the screws out. Now I lost one. Dang it. There's the 3. Oh, I better look for some hinges. Had a bunch of crap up here. This is all getting organized. I know it's a disaster. There's my fans. That opening I showed you that I shoved the towels into, this was gonna go in there, hooked up to a little solar panel for ventilation. The humidity was worse in there last year. It hasn't been bad so far. Oh, I wanted eye hooks, but not that big. Hey, so look at all this cool stuff. Oh, there's some tiny little ones. And you know what? They'll actually work just fine. But I need some hinges is what I need. Only thing is, I'm gonna need hinges. Oh my gosh, I know. I'm gonna need hinges that are off of a cupboard door so that they have that. Oh, I have an idea. Isn't there an old cupboard? Oh, there was an old cupboard. Dang it. Oh, I know exactly. Yeah, there was an old cupboard. I think we burned it. But look over there. There's a cupboard right there. It even has doors on it. Glass doors. Memphi, you can go in the chicken coop. Catch some mice in there. Not that I've seen a mouse in there ever. Your door's coming, girls. And boy. You going in there, Memphi? Oh. I see, I see. Oh, it's a square one. Will this one even fit? This is a little big. No, okay, I need a small square. Oh, there we go. There's 2 of those. Oh, so many of them. So many. Big square. Even bigger square. Let's see what's in this one. Or what's in this one. Oh, is that? Let's see if that one will work. Yeah, that one's gonna work. Okay, got it. Oh, much better. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's like a stained glass window. Not really, but maybe I could put it in somewhere. It might be nice, actually. I know it's some crappy old thing, but who knows? Reuse it. I guess we're gonna have to take these out there and hold them up and see if we can figure out a way they could work. Okay. If that was on there, and that wouldn't work. If that was on there, and oh, and then the door would go on, screw on like this. I actually like because they're spring loaded. But can I get a screw? Yeah, I can drill into there. Okay, so one would go there. Yeah, this will work. The door's only gonna overhang it that much, but there's no problem with that whatsoever. Oh, but then, hold on. Then when they open, will it actually open all the way that I want? Yes, it'll open all the way that I want. Okay, these will work. I should have brought the tape measure, dang it. I need a tape measure and a board. What do you guys think of one more chicken coming? One more little black? One more little black bantam cochin. That my friend accidentally got in an auction that was supposed to be a big chicken, but she's just a little bantam. Really? And she's gonna look just like you, sweetie. You see it? Okay, girls. Let's turn this off for a minute. Oh my gosh, you're loud. Use. That's pretty thin. This one's a lot better. Probably use a piece of that. 8. I wouldn't mind it overlapping, but you can't with these hinges. Most you can go is to there. Hi, Dolly. 8 by I guess 12 inches by 8 inches. 8 by 12. Yeah, this is good. That's not gonna work. And our sawhorses are... I could get those sawhorses. But why? I'm just gonna use this. Safety glasses. I wonder how square my yeah, let's use the crappy end. Is it even square? No. Oh my gosh. This square is 12 by 8. I'll just start there. And then I'll use this. Yeah, it won't be much. Just be a little sliver there. Okay, there's our door. Right there. Right there. Depending on how square the actual tunnel is too. You know what? I'm gonna call it good enough because it's a chicken door. Let's go see. What are you doing? And the verdict is yes, just fine. Just fine. It's just a door. Okay, Dolly, I'm gonna need in there. Okay, look out. Whatever you're doing, look out. But why? Why do you have to squeeze in there? Out of all the places. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry people, I might need to edit this out. Vulture is so loud. I don't know what her deal is. I do not know what her deal is. You know what? I should have brought a little bit bigger screws. I don't like these. Way too small. Yeah, sturdy though. And they just seem to strip. You coming over? dirty. Okay, Chicky Boo Boo. Want it up a little bit off the floor. Let's just start with 2 and see how it shuts. Oh, I wanted the white on the outside. Oh well, I might be painting this whole coop anyways. Look at it. It looks crooked. Yeah, it looks crooked, and the reason is because my tunnel's probably crooked. But you know what? It'll do. Only thing is when I shut it, it doesn't seal it right in. So I probably still will need to put a hook on. But when I open it, it has like spring loaded. It totally stays open. Oh, like such a cold draft coming in. And then when I close it, you know, I probably don't even need to hook it shut. Oh. Now I've got the ugly, dirty side out. Oh well, whatever. Oh, Dolly. Yeah, cold air is coming in the bottom. And when I push it, it totally stops. Oh, yeah. Well, but I mean, it's going to make a huge difference. But they don't need it today. But none of them are even going out. But they could if they wanted. Oh, look at little Reba. Why doesn't she sit up and stay cozy with her friends? She's always down on the shelf. Okay, and I have another idea. I'm not going to bring the sled in to clean. I'm just going to bring a tiny little garbage can, hold it under there, scrape the poop in. You have a door now, Dolly. A little bit crooked door, but that's because Mom made the tunnel a little bit crooked. Yeah. Why don't you let me pet you? Haha, I got you. I got you. I got you, Dolly. Mom's petting you. Mom, touch your big, soft comb. Oh, it's nice and warm, too. Yeah, you're a good girl. You get kisses. Oh, how dare I do that? Oh. Is it getting too cold? Should we shut it for a bit? Because the heater's off. Because the breaker's off. For a couple of hours. We'll leave it shut for a couple hours. Well, it's something at least. Oh, look at how far out it is. Oh, it is a ways out. Well, I'll go in the house and see if I can find or in the garage and see if I can find a hook. Oh my gosh, I found one. Is it going to be sturdy enough to hold it? Let's give it a try. Oh, I don't have the light anymore. Shoot. How is this gonna go? It should maybe go halfway. Give it a little more strength. Oh, you again. Gotta be right in everything, don't you? Why though, Dolly? But Dolly, do you, okay. Good grief. This has to go right about there, I guess. No, no. No, it's too far away. Oh my God. Why? Oh, so close. Actually, so far. Okay, guys. My battery went dead right when I was moving this over. See, I moved it from there to there. So, let's see. I just wanted to get a new battery so you could see the finished product. The amazing finished product. And will it work this time? Oh my God, no, don't tell me. Oh my God, it's still too far over? What if I do that? Oh, it's so tough. Like it will work, but not like I want it. Does putting it in more make a difference? Or would putting it out more help? I wonder if putting it out more would help. Well, that's a tight one. At least it tightens it. But that is... You know what? I think it's better to have it tighter than looser. Oh, so tight. I think this will bend over eventually. Or do I do it in tighter even more? Does that make a difference? No. Okay, there it is. No draft at all. Holy smokes, nothing's getting through there. I don't even think a mouse could get through there. Chickies, you have a door. Look at it. It's amazing. Just needs paint and maybe a sign above it. And you guys spilt your grit already? Gotta find a better spot for it. Oh, you know what I need to do? Build something that actually attaches to the wall that's not getting... Yeah. Or buy some sort of something that attaches to the wall. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I just really appreciate you watching my videos. I'd love it if you comment, if you have any suggestions. Okay, guys. Subscribe if you'd like. Unsubscribe if you'd like. Comment if you'd like. And stay tuned. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. Bye, Chicky Boo Boos.